the dining room, nice balcony, couch, and a full-size kitchen. That's a washer and dryer for your clothes, which was nice. So it's a great place to stay. They have an indoor pool, an outdoor pool, a large hot tub, a small hot tub. So yes, and it's close to everything. Here's our very big bathroom. Since our last vacation was a cruise boat and it was really, really small, this is ginormous. Beautiful artwork. Your cleaning supplies, because in a timeshare they don't clean your room every day like a hotel. If you're staying a week, they might just clean it once for you. You have to check on your policy. And this is Mommy's bed. No kids allowed. Look at that beautiful window seat. I love it. Love it.
Come look at the fridge.
It feels more like a home
Mom, come look at the fridge.
than a hotel.
Come on.
Let's look at this closet. Wow, this is a big closet, extra bedding, luggage rack, and a fan. Hallelujah.